Out and about legends, good afternoon, nearly good evening from here. We have got an absolute belter for you today. However, before we get into that, the last 2 or 3 videos we've been packs in the back, hiking places and having absolutely awesome wild camps. Today we're back to doing a car camp, and this is going to be a good one. However, before we get into that, there's 2 videos that were sort of highlighted on this. One was the Aussie Creek camp where we were down at Egg Rock, which was absolutely fantastic. Have a look at that. And the other one, and this is the one where a bit of argument's going to come into it, so please leave a comment if you watch it, was the Lizard Point where we've done like our epic adventure. 5.5 hours to get to the top of it, but when we did, the views were unbelievable, cloud inversions, all that sort of stuff. So have a look at that, leave some comments on it, and if you agree that they are some of the best views, if not the best views in Australia, leave it there. If not, let me know what it is. However, today we are on a car camp. We've packed up Doris and we are at a wee place called Gums on Billabong. Okay, and it is absolutely fantastic. So what I'll do is I'll leave this for now, and then I'll just give you a wee walk around the camp. The long-haired general's with me today, so when I say we pack the car up, we nearly need to get 2 cars and a bus to get here, but we're here now, and I'll let you show the camp. You'll be blown away. It is fantastic, and there's a wee thing that not all campsites have that you gotta see. As promised, let me walk you around camp and show you what we've got. You can see in the background we've got Doris the Everest, and we've got her packed up. We've got the bushwhacker on it out. To be fair, maybe not really needed, but you know, it has lights on it, etc, etc. And that brings us down to our wee cooking area that we've made up. So we've got a small Yeti there, and it has drinks and ice pings and all that in it. We have our 22 litres of water, our wee table, our Gladiator Coleman cooker, and that's all our cooking stuff in there, all locked away. Then sort of bring it round the other side of the camp. So the actual wee site that you've got here is actually quite big. So there's a gate over there you'll have seen has come in, and then we've got our own wee fire pit just here, which is really nice. We'll have the Zampire Evo TS V2. This tent is just fantastic. If you've only ever seen it once on one of the other videos, it's really good. But we'll have a look around that at another stage as well. But as you can imagine, the long-haired general gets too cold, I get too hot. So guess what? You do your thing and I'll do my thing, so we can have a good night's sleep. But the tent is really good. Comes all around, you can see like the sun's starting to set over there. It's absolutely stunning. Look at that. What an absolutely brilliant setting there. And there's nobody near. There's a bit of road noise maybe the other side, and we've had some military aircraft fly over, but they've been good. Now have a look at this. You get your firewood, you put it underneath, you fill up the bath of water, You heat the bath up and you jump into it. I think that's pretty cool. I think it's really good. So we'll give that a wee shot maybe tomorrow, and we'll do that tonight. Sun going down. Oh, guess what I have to eat for dinner tonight? Corned beef hash. I can feel all the ex-British military guys, especially out there, going, corned beef hash. It's not like army corned beef hash. This is the dog's proverbial nuts. Right, I'll leave it here. I'm going to go and grab some juice and have a sit down and just enjoy this place. See you in a bit. As promised, corn dog hash, lathered in brown sauce. OMG! Right then, legends. Just as that sun's disappeared behind there, that wee hill, the temperature has dropped rapido. So, I'm doing the good husbandly thing. I'm making us some hot chocolate. We do like a wee hot chocolate. I think these are the caramel ones. We've got the Ranger Red Eye. If you want to know, ask me and I'll tell you. And I've got my other Yeti there. And these are the lights that come with the Bushwhacker. Aren't they fantastic? And you can change them from like this colour. You can turn them off. You can turn them on like that. So good. But I use, and I'll talk to you about this later, I use one of these. It's called the Rover Companion 1000. So I use that. What I might do actually is do like a bit of a review on it, because I've had it for a while now. So I might do a wee review on that for you this weekend, just so you can find out what it's all about if you're in the market for something like that. But if you're in the market for something like an awning, and as expensive as they are, the Bushwhacker is definitely worth it. You know, I mean, look, it gives you light, gives you shelter, and it's good, not new material it's got, and you get Gucci Bushwhacker signs on the side of your car. Right, I'll leave that there, and I'll make some hot chocolate. I'll get back to you just before I hit the scratcher tonight. Probably have an early night tonight because I'm tired. So we'll do that. But how lucky are we that you can get away and go camping and stuff, you know what I mean? Just enjoy it. You know what I mean? It's so good. Right. Speak to you in a bit. There it goes. Get in the land. What a beautiful night. Like, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's Baltic, but it's beautiful. So there you go. Don't know if they'll be running all night or not, but who cares? Don't mind an aircraft or two beating about. But this spot's just been amazing, absolutely amazing. I've had to try the old body warmer on. You usually have my MacPack Alpine series jacket, but I always bring something different from a car camping. So I'm trying a Montane fleece top with a Snug Pack body warmer over it. And it seems to be it's working out alright. It's doing what it's supposed to do, keep the body warm. But I love these lights, look. It's just nice to get away sometimes in it and just relax as a wee family, you know what I mean? Not worrying about anything, just a couple of days off work and just do something nice, you know what I mean, just relax. So I'm going to get into the tent and watch some YouTube. So probably watch some Paul Mesner, Wild Bear, Fit for Adventure, Scott Goes Walkabout, that sort of stuff. I like all them sort of ones, so I'll probably watch them tonight and chill out. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm just going to go and do a wee walk around to the tent as well to make sure it's all good. No issues with it. It's such a good tent. Have a look there. Zampar Evo TS V2. It's got like the dark room inside. So I've got a camp cot in there. I've got one of them sort of, not a double air mattress, it's slightly bigger than a single in there as well. So yeah, it's pretty good. So we're happy with it. I need to put some electric stuff away because it'll get damp tonight. Right, legends, you have a good night. I will see you in the morning, hopefully with a cup of coffee in the hand. I'm a wheelie hat on again because I would say if this stays the way it is, it's going to drop right down tonight. So stay safe, see you in the morning. Bye. Legends, good morning. I say good morning. As much as a beautiful morning it is, it was a horrible night. It was a horrible night for me. So I have the camp cot there, and the temperature went down. So underneath the camp cot you can feel the cold air coming up, and I didn't have enough layered at the bottom. And I even got out and put like towels down and stuff like that to try and layer it up, but it was freezing. I was freezing all night while Mrs. E was roasty toasty on top of the blow up bed. Wish I'd had my camping mat with me, my ether light with me, because I'd been roasty toasty if I had that. So there's going to have to be a change of plan for tonight, because that was horrible, absolutely horrible, I'm not going to lie. But we're up and about and it's another day. Got the coffee on and have a wee brew and chill out till the sun comes out a bit, warms the place up a bit. So I'll catch up with you in a wee bit. Get in my belly. Look at that sausage and cheese roll with some mixture of red and brown sauce. Then the Ranger Red Eye has a nice strong cappuccino. Right, I'm gonna get wired in these and then we'll see where the day takes us. Hello then, legends. We are in a shopping mall, and I've tried to rectify my sleeping arrangements from last night, which was absolutely Baltic. So I have went and I got the queen size air mattress and the 12 volt lackey blanket for it. That means Maz can stay warm and I can stay warmer, but not as cold as it was last night. But hopefully that'll work out. It saves us buying a lot more stuff. Right. This is a new setup. So this is a queen mattress. It has the 12 volt blanket, electric blanket on there. You can see it down the bottom there, and then there's Tara's toys. So hopefully that'll be a better setup for tonight, because last night's was absolutely Baltic on that camp cot. This place is stunning, the sun's just starting to go. Dinner is served. Special fried rice and beef massa man. There's like potato and stuff in that as well. That looks so good. Right, you can see the steam coming off the bath now because the temperature's starting to drop. So we'll have dinner, then we'll see all about this bath. It's bath time. To be fair, this is quite nice. Really nice. Legends, that bath was superb. It was so good. I just got my fluffy socks on, my PJs. We're gonna oh, and we've just turned this new lackey blanket on. That's all I can see. You see, you'll see it. So we've got low, medium, and high. We'll fire it up here just to warm the bed up before we get in for the night. What's it drawn? It's drawn 69 watts, and at this rate, if we left it on all night, it would last 8.5 hours. That's fine. We'll keep it on for half an hour or so, and then turn it down low and see what that's like. Awesome. Definitely not like camping out when you're carrying your pack and your tent and all, but it just seems a lot more to it, car camping, than there is just throwing your stuff in your back and away you go. What you've got's what you've got. But anyway, I'll leave this with you. I'll probably make some hot chocolate and then we're going to watch some telly. So have a good night, and we'll see you in the morning for the pack up. The dreaded pack up. Anyway, stay out and a bit. Good morning, legends. It is pack up day. Always the worst day. However, last night was probably the best I've slept camping ever. It was comfy, it was warm, it was cozy. It was so nice, to be honest. Really, really nice. In comparison to the first night. And the temperature, to be fair, wasn't as bad. I don't know if we just had a really, really cold snap that first night, because it went really low. But last night I think it stayed around about 5, maybe 6 degrees, so it wasn't cold at all. It really wasn't that bad. But the other night was freezing. However, I'm gonna have my coffee and Ranger Red Eye, and then it's my time to pack up. So I'll leave it here. I'll bring you back when we're sorting our lives out. See you in a bit. Right then, legends, we are starting to pack up. Thank God we'll have to order some of stuff we have to bring. Is unbelievable. Right, next thing we're going to do is get this tent down. So I'll do that now, and then I'll bring these back again when we're all done and we're going to be heading back to the house with that. See you in a wee bit. Out and a bit.